Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Before I do continue, I want to say if you've been enjoying the series and the stuff that I've been putting out, please consider subscribing. It does help me out a lot. But today we're going to be learning about the getters and setters. So getters and setters are used to effectively protect your data, particularly when creating classes. For each variable, the get method returns its value, while the set method sets the value. Getters start with get, obviously, followed by the variable name and the first letter of the variable name capitalized. So this is a getter. Um, your public string and then get color, get name, anything you need. You just put capital get and then it returns that specific value on there. And then for setters, you're just essentially just setting it. So it starts with set followed by the variable name with the first letter being capitalized. So if you're trying to set the color, you'll do public void set color. Now, why is this public string get color and why does it return color? So the reason why it's public string get color is because color is a string. So it's going to return um, that string, which happens to be color in this case. It can also be name or anything else that you do put in. And then for setters, it's a little different because it's public void, meaning you're not returning anything, which is true because you don't see um, a return keyword anywhere here. And you do the set color, and then you have to put the parameter for it. For the getter, you don't need the parameter. So the easiest way to do this is pure memorization, actually. Slowly, you'll get into the habit of just knowing, oh yeah, I need a setter here, I need to get it here. But when you're first starting off, just write a bunch of setters and getters and practice with it, and you'll be good to go. Um, Besides that, and then for the this keyword right here, why do we need this keyword? Because so you have color, um, and right here, the this dot keyword is not needed right here. But let's say you had string color and then color equals color. What would happen is it would conflict. It wouldn't know which color is what. But if you put a this dot color, this is referring to the original color up here. So that's essentially what the this keyword does in a very, like low level understanding of it basically. And then the getter method does return the value of the attribute. The setter method takes a parameter and assigns it to the attribute. The keyword this is used to refer to the current object, like I just said, and then basically this dot color is the color attribute of the current object. Okay, so let's go ahead and drag and drop from the positions below to define the set and get methods. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is a getter, so remember you have to return something. In this case, it's an int. So, oops. So there'll be public int get x because x is right here, and then you would return, well, you just return x, right? It's pretty straightforward. That's the getter. For the setter, it's going to be public, and then do you return anything here? I don't think so. So it'd be void, then set x, int x, this dot x. Yep, that's pretty much it. And there you go. We got it. Now, once our getter and setter have been defined, we can use it in the main. So how you can use it in the main is essentially, let's say you have the main, um, you have main right here, okay? You create a new object, let's say vehicle v1 equals new vehicle. Okay, pretty straightforward. Um, then once you have this, you do v1.setColor. What happens to that is basically you're telling the your code that, hey, I want my new car, or it's not a car, it's a vehicle, but let's just imagine it. Okay, it's a car. Let's say it's a Mercedes, 1998 Mercedes, like the old classic ones. And we set it to a red, okay? Like red's a handsome color, so we'll say red, and then you set that color to red. But if you just print out system.out.print and you just hit color, I'll show you what happens. I will show you what happens if you just, yeah, you might be thinking, oh, like, what if I just, print out the color? Well, if you're just printing out the color here, let me show you what happens. You get an error because it doesn't know what color you're talking about, okay? Instead, what you have to do is um, put the object name, which is v1, the vehicle one. Then you have to do get color, meaning you're getting that color using that getter. So you're getting the color of that. And then once you run this, you should get red. Very straightforward. Um, and then let's go ahead and actually do a practice real quick. Okay. So the program you're given receives the name and age of student as input. Complete the program to set the values of the corresponding attributes of the student class and print out the final result. If the age is less than 0, the program should output invalid age and assign a 0 as the age attribute. So the sample output is Olivia, -2. Sample output is going to be invalid age, name, and then age. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. First thing I want to do is let's start at the very top. Let's understand the code. So you're getting a read. Okay, that's the name of the scanner, right? And you're getting a name. You're getting an age. Fair enough. You're creating a new student. Now you're setting the age via a setter. Okay, set the age via setter. Okay, so we can do student dot set age, and then you can put age in here, I believe. Yeah, age in there. Okay. Now complete the getter. So how we can do that is, remember the getter essentially returns. So we'll return age here, and then for the setter we'll do this dot age equals age. How about that? Okay, then let's run it. Okay, pass all but this one. So okay, okay, Lord, -18. Okay, I see. Okay, it gives us. Okay, so we also have to check if it's negative or not. So I believe that's gonna be this. Okay, so yeah, for the setter, we'll do if age is 0 or less, you can simply just put age equals 0, right? Cool. Then, well, this dot age, I believe. I think it's this dot age. Yeah, this dot age. Okay, then we'll have an else, and we can put in this code right here. There you go. And then let's run this, see if that works. Still saying false. Huh. Age equals 0. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, we can solve this together. Give me one moment. Let's see. This dot age equals 0. Okay, so if age is less than 0, right? If the age is less than 0, it should also output invalid age. I see, okay. So I'm thinking we have to put this code up here, but let me go ahead and see. I think we might have to put that code up there. So we can take this code up there since, yeah, I think we might have to just do that, honestly. Because you need the user or the input validation first, I believe. I believe that's how it works. No? Oh, my bad. My bad. We can't do that. We can't use this. Yep, there it is. Okay. Okay, so I'll tell you guys exactly what I just did. So you have the scanner, right? Right here. You create a new scanner that's named read. Okay. You have a string, so you're reading the string name, you're reading the integer age, then you create a new student object, then you have it set, you have the name set to the name, of course, and then here we're setting the age. So essentially, if the age is less than 0, we do invalid age and then set it to 0. Else, if it's a valid age, we can just put the age right there, and then this is just printing it out. Then the bottom, I don't know why I can't go to the bottom, but then you just have your regular setters and getters basically. So that's really all it is. And let's see, what would be the name of the setter method for the variable named age? So setter age, remember, set age right there, and voila, there you go. Lesson completed, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you did find this valuable. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.